Hello, hi, I'm Sufia Binti Hassan, and this is a tutorial about Solarwinds. Okay, Solarwinds is an IT company that provide information technology infrastructure management software. This is the link www.solarwinds.com. Okay, Solarwinds is IT company that have provide the products for IT management system. One of them is a network management, system management, IT security, database management, IT help desk, and monitoring clouds. Each of them have several products that themselves, and they have a worldwide customers. Okay, what is the difference between SolarWinds and other company? They provide a very easy to download and free and solve any problems within an hour, and any smaller business or large business or enterprise can use them, and access to industry leading support using the THWACK community. And also it's a tool that listen to customer feedback and simple to use, easy to use, reduce the cost of the enterprise, and also meet and evolve the changing needs of IT. We can try any of their products for free here. For availability and performance, application infrastructure, database performance, Hyper-V, VMware troubleshooting, security and compliances, configuration and change management, storage performance and capacity, bandwidth, and lastly bandwidth and traffic patterns. Now we're gonna take a look about their products. This is network management products, all of this, and system management products, all of these, database management products, and IT security products, IT help desk products, and also monitoring clouds. So we're gonna take a look here, the web performance monitor. Okay, the web performance monitor features is complete performance monitoring, continuous synthetic transaction monitoring, detailed load time metrics, monitor from multiple locations, browser-based transaction recorder, and also transaction recording. For all the features are here for each of their products, they provide them. And also we have the minimum system requirement for each of the products difference. So for the web performance monitoring, this is the minimum system requirement. Hard drive, the hard drive requirements, memory, CPU, OS, database, framework, and also the web browser stated here. So we can try the tools for free, and we can view the demo here. So we're gonna take a look at the demo for web performance monitor. Now for the web performance monitor, we have the transaction, all of the transaction between all of the users, all the locations, the transaction problems, the step with problems, the transaction health overview of all of the location, and also active transaction alert. And lastly is for the top 10 between transaction by duration and 10 steps by duration. Lastly is for the events that we have in all of the website. For the transaction, they can have multiple users, which Austin, Cork, and also Tokyo. Each of them will shows their own website. For Austin, these are the website. For the Cox, this is the website. And for the Tokyo, this is the website. So if the website is okay, and then the green color is pop up, and for the critical sign, they have warning sign and red in color. And for the warning sign, we have not too critical, but must be have problems, certain problems. They have yellow in color. We also have the status, location, and also the steps with problems. We can see the step with problem at the below here. For the steps, we have steps name, step status, error of message, duration, transaction, and also the location. So the step will show what are the errors and how we gonna solve them, and what time that have the error is produced. This is one of the example of errors. And it also shown the location, which is important because we have a several location. And for this section, we have the summary of each location, which is how many transactions and which are with the problems, and also the version of the location and the currently player load of each location. Okay, also here we have the transaction that have problems, and also from where the transaction is. We can see that transaction status, location, and step with the problems. This we have also the duration for each problems. And transaction help overview. This is the overview of all of the locations stated here for Austin, Cork, and Tokyo. We have the basically a graph for that, and how many each of the graph represent. For this section is active transaction alert. This is alert if the transaction have message error message. We can see here what the object name, what the status, the durations, the transaction, and also the location. And the time of alert we stated here. This is one of the attributes. Now we're gonna go to the top 10 transaction by duration. This we have a transaction name and from where, from either from Tokyo, Austin, or Cork, and then the duration and the percentage of optimal. And also for the top 10 steps by. And that is all for the tutorial for Solarwinds for web performance monitor. You also can take a look at others in here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.